Hi everyone, it's me Alex. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Samsung DC32E Smart Signage display. So I have it right here. I'm going to go ahead and set it up. What you'll do first is select your language. You can go ahead and choose it here. I'm going to choose English. Configure your TV. This is meant for like if you have an antenna, if you're for your business, if you're going to use this to watch TV. So then you'll configure that, but I'm not, so no TV, signage only. So this is a remote. You can use it to control your screen. This is for my Samsung Smart TV, so this one, it should be similar, except for that one, it'll say power off here and the power on here, and magic info. So the remote that comes with it is correct. If you're watching this to set up your Samsung DM version, it should be quite the same, except until you get to this step. Right here, network settings and magic info. So this does not have a wireless LAN internet, so you'll have to buy an adapter for the DC version. If you have the DM version, it should already have wireless built in. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip here. Wired, I do not need internet. Skip network. This one is not like smarter as the DM versions. I'm gonna go ahead and skip. You have to set the date and time if you're going to use it for your business. It's already correct. I mean, you are going to use it for your business, but make sure you do set the correct information. So, setup is complete. Now we can watch TV. So let's say it was already set up, but your screen won't turn on. Make sure the power switch on the back is on. So as you can see, if I turn it off, it won't work. Even if I click on power on the remote, it won't turn on. So make sure the power switch is in the back is always on, which you should never turn off, because if your business, you should have the screen on 24/7. If you have the DM version or DC version, you'll turn it off when you leave. So let's go ahead and configure some settings. So in the back I have a Chromecast plugged in. Just for a demo, you can click on source on your remote to switch the inputs. It's right here. We'll let that boot up right now. So if you have an antenna plugged in, if you are using your TV or for your business to watch TV, you'll click on settings. You can choose your picture mode, sound mode, or broadcasting. If you are going to use this for your business that does watch TV, to stream TV, you are going to have to do the auto program so it can scan for channels. But if you're not, you're just going to go to like a source that plays welcome to our store, welcome to our business, or plays pictures of your business, then you're not going to. So now if you need this is a source if you'll have like your pictures of your shoes, whatever you do, like hair salon or anything like that. They should start playing here when you have your device connected. So now I'm going to be showing you magic info right here. To access magic info, you click on home. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a USB stick. So here's where things will look different if you have the DM version. If you have the DM version, you have templates, players, and a whole different things. Since this is the DC version, I have the magic info light. It does have magic info, but it looks different. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in a USB stick. Oh, okay, hold on. If once you click play on your remote control, even on the DM version, it should look the same. So let me go ahead and plug in our USB stick on the back. Let me see if I can get you guys a tight view. So here are all the inputs. I'm gonna go ahead and try to plug this in right here, our USB stick. So there we go, I plugged it in already, and let's go look at our screen again. So there we go, once I plugged in the USB stick, here are the pictures. These are the default Windows 10 pictures, the sample pictures that it comes with it. So I just passed these to, sorry, airplane or helicopters passing. And some pictures, you can view them by clicking on it. So let's say you can use your arrows to click on one, so you'll click on left. Or, oops. And some videos. And then to view it before you select, you can click on the center. It'll say loading and it'll load your pictures. So now let's say that you are doing this in a business and you want it to play in a loop the whole day. So you'll go up to where it says up here, options. You can play selected, which means you select the ones you want it to play and it'll play them, or you can send them. So this means send means that it'll send any content that you select from the USB stick to the internal memory into the device. So that means that you no longer need to have the USB stick connected. It'll pass it to the gigabytes storage inside the screen. But I'm going to put play selected. I will choose these default pictures from Windows. I can put this come on in, we're open. I'll just go ahead and select these. So I'll speed this up. So okay, once you selected the images you want, you click on play. So we're gonna go up and click on play. Say loading, so that means it's gonna play by itself now. I'm no longer pushing any buttons on the remote. It's playing in a loop. So as you can see, I'll let that play. So now let's say you're closing for the day and you want this slideshow again tomorrow. This is your normal default slideshow. If you click switch the button that's on the back of the screen right here, I'll go ahead and turn it off. You see the screen went black, so that means you're closed for the day and it's no longer playing. So let's go ahead and say we're opening our business again. You turn it on. And it'll automatically play your USB stick again. It'll say loading on the top right. It'll say no signal right now, but then it'll say loading on the top right. So right now let's say loading on the right. There we go, loading. And there you go, your slideshow will begin again. So it's in a loop the whole time. So you can see it's playing in a loop. So now let's say you have a video with content with the video. So let's say right here. Let's say I'm gonna play a content with video again. So I'll go down to options, play selected, and so it's not that long. I'll just select the koala image. Oops, no, koala image, and the penguins, and I'll play a video of me playing Roblox. I'll just select 3. I'll remember when I film these videos, but I'll go ahead and select this. So I'll click on play. So since this does have internal speakers, you can control the volume here, and it should play when on the video, Roblox video right here. If my video recorded any sound. Yeah, it does. There you go. There's sound right there. Oh God. It does have sound. That was loud. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off so you see. So you can see it is off. Let's go ahead and turn it back on. Sorry, it's windy outside. And our video slideshow will begin again in a loop. So let's see. Again, I'll say loading. There we go. And there is your slideshow again. So now you might be thinking, okay, well that's if I have the screen low and I can push down that button. What if I want it to turn on and off on its own? There is a way you can do that. Will turn on and off by its own on a selected time. So okay, let's exit out our magic info slideshow right here. To access it, in order to turn it off and on by itself, you'll click on settings, go down to system, go down to oh, this is a cool feature, ticker. So let's say I have the demo that says closing, or I just typed that, closing in 20 minutes. It'll slide down here and it'll play it at a selected time. Video wall, if you have video wall there, and oh, I already passed it, it's on time right here. Right here, on timer. So let's say we wanted to turn on every day at 9 a.m. So let's say you wanted to 9 a.m. So we'll select that and we'll put 9 a.m. and we wanted to turn off at 12 a.m. So we put an off timer and it will do that automatically. So holiday management, that means if you have a special day that you're closed or open, or you want special hours to turn it on or off, it'll do that. So that's pretty much it. I'll go over the settings. So picture mode, you can adjust your picture mode from dynamic, standard, or movie. Or sometimes it says advertisement or information, but right now it says dynamic. Sound mode, you can do standard, music, movie, clear voice, or amplify. You can mess around with that if you're going to use the built-in speaker. or speakers, depending on what model you have. The settings should look the same for the DM version. Broadcasting, if you're going to watch TV on your screen. Network, you can check the network status, or for the DM version, if it has wireless, you can plug it in here. Applications, source list, and Magic Info Light. And the system, where we can adjust anything we need. Ticker, video wall, and all that cool stuff. And support. If you need support, you can update your version right here. So that's pretty much it, the basics on your Samsung DC32E version. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help you. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have any questions on anything that I did in this video today or of the screen itself, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. See you guys next time. Bye! I forgot to mention, sorry I said that this video was over, but if you have a USB stick plugged in and you click on source, you can click on USB data transfer. So that means you can choose photos and select files here, and it will transfer them again, like I said, to the internal memory of the display, so you no longer need your USB stick. And if something was to happen and you unplug your USB stick while you're using the screen, it'll say this, so you know that it was disconnected. There you go, USB disconnected, and it'll refresh and there's no more content. So again, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, again, like I said, on the display itself or for me, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. See you guys next time. Bye!